Welcome back to Car Alerts. The 2026 Lexus NX arrives as one of the most polished compact luxury SUVs in the segment, capturing the spirit of refinement, technology, and performance that Lexus has been perfecting for years. This model continues to elevate the brand's signature quiet sophistication, while introducing an extra layer of digital intelligence, comfort, and efficiency that makes it stand out from its rivals. The NX has always been a favorite for those who want a premium crossover without shouting about it, and for 2026, Lexus enhances that formula with sharper looks, improved hybrid systems, and a redesigned tech suite that feels more intuitive than ever. This is the car that doesn't just take you somewhere, it makes the journey itself feel like a privilege. The first thing that strikes you about the 2026 Lexus NX is its presence. It looks futuristic yet grounded in Lexus tradition. The front design showcases a reinterpreted spindle grille that's been reshaped for a cleaner, more integrated appearance. It no longer feels as aggressive as before but exudes a sense of confidence and purpose. The grille's mesh pattern now blends seamlessly into the bumper, with a darker metallic finish that matches perfectly with the LED headlamps. These new headlights are slimmer, more angular, and feature Lexus's signature arrow-shaped daytime running lights that give the NX a piercing, intelligent gaze. The front fascia also incorporates aerodynamic sculpting around the lower air intakes, not just for show but to direct airflow more efficiently around the body. When viewed from the front, the NX conveys a sense of balance, sporty enough to look dynamic but elegant enough to remain distinctly Lexus. Moving to the side, the 2026 NX has a sleek and confident silhouette. The proportions are well judged, giving the impression of movement even when standing still. Lexus designers have refined the shoulder line to create a smoother transition from the front fenders to the rear, making the profile more cohesive. The wheel arches are slightly flared, emphasizing stability while still maintaining sophistication. The side mirrors are more aerodynamic, mounted lower on the door for reduced wind noise. Depending on the trim level, you can get 18, 19, or even 20-inch alloy wheels that come in new polished finishes. The chrome accents have been dialed back, replaced by satin or dark metallic trims for a more contemporary feel. Subtle details like flush-mounted door handles and frameless windows add a modern, high-tech character. The NX's body lines flow seamlessly from front to back, creating a feeling of motion that mirrors the car's driving character, refined yet eager. At the rear, Lexus has gone for a minimalist but impactful look. The taillights stretch across the width of the vehicle in a single continuous light bar that proudly displays the Lexus name spelled out instead of the logo, a design element that's becoming a signature for the brand's new lineup. The lighting pattern is crisp and futuristic, and when illuminated at night it gives the NX a striking visual identity. The rear bumper integrates dual exhaust outlets on sportier models, while hybrid and plug-in hybrid versions feature hidden tailpipes for a cleaner aesthetic. There's also an integrated roof spoiler that improves airflow and adds a subtle sporty touch. The overall rear design feels cohesive, sculpted, and premium without being flashy. Interior. Stepping inside, the 2026 Lexus NX immediately reminds you why Lexus cabins are considered among the best in their class. The interior blends craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology, creating a serene space that feels like a sanctuary from the outside world. Lexus calls it the Tazuna concept, which emphasizes driver-focused ergonomics inspired by the relationship between a horse and its rider. Every control falls naturally to hand. The centerpiece of the cabin is a massive 14-inch high-definition touchscreen that replaces the previous touchpad system, finally giving drivers the ease and fluidity of a modern interface. The new Lexus interface software feels faster, smoother, and more customizable, offering features like over-the-air updates, cloud-based navigation, and a voice assistant that responds naturally to commands. The digital instrument cluster is crisp and configurable, allowing drivers to toggle between classic gauges or futuristic layouts. The seating has been redesigned for improved support and long-distance comfort. Both front seats feature multiple levels of power adjustment, heating, ventilation, and even massage functions in higher trims. The materials are pure Lexus, soft leather, open-pore wood, and brushed metal accents. Every stitch is placed with precision. Even the ambient lighting system can be customized in up to 50 color themes, allowing drivers to tailor the mood. The cabin insulation has been improved, with thicker glass and extra sound-deadening materials that create near-silent cruising. The rear seats offer generous legroom and recline functionality, while the cargo area benefits from a more squared-off design that increases usable space. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Lexus NX offers a lineup that caters to various preferences. The base model, known as the NX 250, comes with a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine, producing around 203 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and available all-wheel drive. It's smooth, efficient, and perfectly adequate for city driving. Step up to the NX 350, and you get a 2.4-liter turbocharged engine that generates a healthy 275 horsepower, giving the SUV brisk acceleration and confident highway performance. The highlight of the lineup remains the NX 450 Yatr Plus, the plug-in hybrid model. This version combines the 2.5-liter engine with a larger battery pack and dual electric motors, delivering a total output of 304 horsepower. It can travel up to 40 miles purely on electric power, making it perfect for short commutes or city runs without burning fuel. The transition between electric and gasoline power is seamless, showcasing Lexus's mastery in hybrid technology. The E4 all-wheel drive system provides excellent grip and balance in all conditions, while regenerative braking helps recharge the battery during deceleration. The 0-60 mph time for the NX 450h Plus is just under 6 seconds, putting it firmly in the performance zone of compact luxury crossovers. Handling has also seen major improvements. The steering feels more direct, and the suspension tuning strikes a beautiful balance between comfort and agility. Whether navigating tight urban streets or sweeping mountain roads, the NX feels composed and confident. The chassis rigidity has been increased, thanks to Lexus's Global Architecture K platform, which also helps reduce body roll and improve stability. Noise, vibration, and harshness levels are virtually non-existent, giving drivers that signature Lexus calm even at highway speeds. As for pricing, the 2026 Lexus NX lineup offers a range suitable for various luxury budgets. The base NX 250 starts around $41,000, offering excellent value given the premium craftsmanship and tech features included as standard. The NX 350 moves into the mid-$40,000 range, while the hybrid NX 350h begins near $46,000. The top-tier NX 450 plug-in hybrid starts at approximately $59,000 but can climb past $65,000 with the F-Sport or luxury package. Considering its blend of efficiency, performance, and technology, the NX 450h Plus stands out as the most well-rounded choice in the lineup. Each model also benefits from Lexus's reputation for reliability and strong resale value, making it not just a stylish purchase but also a smart one. As the video wraps up, one thing becomes clear. The 2026 Lexus NX is not just another crossover. It's a statement of sophistication for those who want more than just luxury on paper. It's for those who appreciate subtle power, quiet confidence, and enduring craftsmanship. From its sleek design to its whisper-quiet cabin and cutting-edge hybrid technology, it redefines what a compact luxury SUV can be. For drivers seeking elegance without excess, comfort without compromise, and innovation without confusion, the 2026 Lexus NX delivers it all with grace. This is not just a car, it's Lexus perfection reimagined for the modern era.